testing isn't just about finding bugs. I don't measure myself as a tester on the number of bugs I find, okay? To me, my opinion is about ensuring that your software delivers the best experience for its users. Yet, many organizations face challenges that can lead to delays, poor quality, and even failed projects. So today, I'll share some proven strategies that can help transform your testing process and set your team up for success. So, are you looking for ways to improve your testing process and ensuring the highest quality in your software projects? Before we dive into this important topic, I'd love to invite you to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. It's free and it helps support the channel so I can continue bringing you valuable insights. So let's get started, okay? So number one, to me, is crucial when I start on a project and a new client is define clear requirements and use cases. So first up, I would say clear requirements are everything. So collaborate with your business analysts and product owners to ensure that your team is working with precise measurable goals. I structure methodology to work with that. In my opinion, in my experience, I use D.R.A.W, which is D.R.A.W, which is description, risks, acceptance criteria, work items, can bring clarity and focus to your test cases, okay? Number two, I would say, meaningful testing automation. So let's talk about automation. So not everything should be automated, but repetitive tasks with high impact tests like, regression, API, UI workflows that are stable are perfect candidates. So don't fall into the trap that 100% automation can be achievable. So there's no such a thing, in my opinion. However, a percentage of the tests can and should get automated. So whether it's a portion of the unit level, API integration, and lastly, the UI level. And a lot of people still get confused with that. So even within the development team, so watch out for that. So tools like Selenium, Appium, Playwright can save time and reduce human error. Number three, task management and the ways of working. So team members collaborating using tools such as Azure DevOps or any other task management like D.R.A.W, etc. I would say, these are elements that can be neglected. So I would say, collaboration is key. Using Azure DevOps tool for a single source of truth, to me, it's like, the main thing I would like to focus on as well. So linking your test cases, user stories, acceptance criteria, even automated pipelines as well, with help with the integration and development lifecycle. So a well-maintained test plan in Azure DevOps helps with the traceability. It links back to the acceptance criteria. So it's like your North Star. It keeps everything aligned. Number four, knowledge transfer. Knowledge transfer session or a team workshop is like a constant progress, even if you have to repeat these often as necessary. I would say, record a session, share the screenshots and etc. Don't neglect the power about empowering your team. Regular training sessions, show and tells, and user guides ensure that your testers understand both the technical systems and the business context behind it, and the business users, they will appreciate that too, which is really good. So this not only improves the quality of testing, but also fosters a culture of continuous improvement. These are my key things I would like to share. I hope you like that, what I'm sharing here. So here at MyExpert.Solutions, we are specialize in helping businesses like yours streamline the quality assurance process, the quality in general. So from creating tailored testing strategy or setting up automation and empowering your team with training, we're here to help. So if you're looking for 24/7 supporting with our following the sun approach, you know where to find us. Ready to take these testing to the next level? So just visit my website at MyExpert.Solutions or email me at the contact@MyExpert.Solutions. I'll be happy to reply and help you guys. So if you found this helpful, give a like and share with your network, so you might know someone who needs this kind of help. So let's build these software and systems better together. So thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and share for more insights. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.